When you don't have the time to watch an 18-minute video, what do you do? Have you ever gone to YouTube to watch a video that's just a little too long, but you really need the information from out of that? Well, have I got a summarizer for you? And it's free. This one YouTube Chrome extension will summarize that video and give you bullet points in under 1 minute. Check it out. Here's how you summarize the content from a YouTube video or multiple YouTube videos. Let's get started. What I like about this tool that I'm going to show you is that it summarizes the YouTube video, but it also gives you bullet points and key takeaways. So let me show you how you do this. We're going to go to this page it's a Chrome extension called YouTube Summarizer-Syllaby. You'll find the link down below in the descriptions. So here's how we do it. We're going to go over to the YouTube Summarizer as we talked about. You should be on this page right now. As you can see over here, it's going to say add to Chrome. Currently it says remove from Chrome because I already have it currently installed right up there because I use it all the time. I'd go ahead and install it. In a few seconds, you'll have this extension at the top. And now here's where the magic happens. We're going to go over to YouTube. Today, I'm picking a video by Cody Sanchez. This video is 30 minutes and 38 seconds. At this moment in my day, I don't have time to go through a 30-minute video, but I really want the information. So this summarizer works great for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this right side where it says transcript and summary. We're going to click the down arrow and it's going to show us the transcript. So this is everything that is said in the video all the way to the end. So what I could do is I could just copy this, paste it and read it, print it out and read it on my own time. I could upload it somewhere. But what I like to do is here, I can create a summary out of this, an AI summary using ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and start with that. And as it does it, it's going to create a new page, a new panel that's going to open up. And what we see that took less than 10 seconds again, is the summary. In this case, it says, this video showcases 8 easy and inexpensive businesses that viewers can start, and it keeps going from there. So that is the broken down short paragraph summary. It also gives you the whole video transcript so you can copy and paste from there. But this is one of my favorite parts from here, is I can go and I can say, I want to see summaries in bullet points. I can see it right here that it does say that there's 8 easy businesses, but it doesn't really show you which businesses are the 8 of them, right? So let's do a summary in bullet points. So their summary comes up, it's the summary bullet points. So again, we can see the transcript as we wanted to, but now it's actually saying what the businesses are. So gutter cleaning is one, essential equipment, marketing and budgets, pressure washing, online reviews, and all this great stuff. So we can do that, right? And we can copy that as our bullet points. And also we can go to this one, which is my favorite part, is the key takeaways. And the reason why is it just keeps it really succinct and really simple. So in this case, it has just a couple bullet points and I can read through this very quickly. So what we're going to do is hit copy and paste it wherever you want. I usually put it in my phone, in my notes app, and so I can have all these different summaries that I can review on a daily basis. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Thank you very much.